don't understand how, like, we lost. I was still on the point with Khan. Like, they shouldn't have given it to them. It was contested. Ah, whatever. Yeah. It was very intense. Alright, we'll probably do one more then. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know, maybe. I'm not sure. No, no chance. That's not what I live for. That goes against everything that I play for.
Barrack.
Hmm. We don't want to go this time. I'm gonna go Corvus this one. Team Fortress 2 Barrack. So how silly the name is.
I'm an engineer. That means I solve problems.
Oh, hi.
Can we build it? Yes, we can.
That's a good one. Pay no attention to the man behind the turret.
My favorite playground toy was the seesaw. Because
Pay no attention to the man behind the turret.
5, 4, 3, 2,
are my favorite
1.
words.
And so it begins.
Good luck.
First blood.
Little help on the point.
Killing
That
spree.
engineer, he's unstoppable.
From your settings.
Rampage.
I will pass judgment.
Fucking hell!
Together we strike them down.
The Lex just got a triple kill with his ult. Yep, it's King of the Hill. Ah! Vivian got me.
Double kill.
Watch out for that electric there. That shit hurts, Ari.
Sharon is Karen.
I was enjoying myself. Let me save you from yourselves.
Barricades going up.
That's 7 in a row.
You are welcome.
Yeah. As long as I don't die, it should be fine. Oh, you might want to watch out. They are going to kill us if you stand there. Oh, no, we're fine. For now.
I will pass judgment. Shot.
You're mine. Let me save you from yourselves.
Victory.
Nice. Yeah, some people could be a pushover, but then you get the matches like the last match where everything's just fucking rough. It's a good mix of difficulty, though. Alright, you want to keep going, or do you want to call it a break? Alright, we'll do Siege to prolong this then. Prolong it then. Yeah, it's got to be done though, yeah.
Barrack.
Fair. Who do I want to go as for this one? I'm thinking a last sniper role, so yeah. Yeah, people have said that. Oh, this will be interesting.
This here calls for precision engineering. Hi. Mess with the bull, you get the horns.
The battle is about to begin.
You know what they say about physics and mathematics? I'm an engineer.
Hey, there's no fighting allowed out here. This is the battle.
I've heard that one, yeah. And he also said, can we build it? Yes, we can.
3, 2, 1. And so it begins. Good luck.
They're gonna come from that little rocky cliff there.
Soldier, straighten up.
An enemy has drawn first blood.
I'm dead.
That's bullshit. You did not get any of those kills. Fucking Azan.
Back to basics.
I heard that.
Ooh, shot.
Ah!
Said now.
I love that death. I do love that fucking death sound from Sati. Just, what? I'm dead. No, for real.
Miss Karen.
Let's get wild.
Sounds like so like fake. I don't know. What? I'm dead.
Never this cold in Texas. That's some good healing.
I think that's whole point. She's meant to be comedic or sarcastic.
Build a sentry.
Ow, that really hurt. I'm fine.
Ooh, nice shot.
Yeah, I'm okay. Nice.
A poor worker blames his tool. Pay no attention to the
Point
man behind
spawning
the
in
turret.
15 seconds.
I'm an engineer.
I bet I'll see you first.
5, 4, 3,
A coward
2,
dies 1,000
1.
deaths. A soldier dies a lot too. But hey, that's what we do. Good night.
Just something I whipped up.
Leaving so soon. Punch them back.
Gunfire beat first.
Ow, that really fucking hurt.
So soon.
Interesting.
Yeah, that's Pip's ultimate. He does that.
Don't blink.
Overtime.
You'll miss it.
Building a sentry. Nice shot.
Killing.
Hold, duck around. Gotta get on the point quickly. Ah, they got it.
Leaving so soon.
How many is that? I lost count. Never this cold in Texas.
Yeah.
Erecting a barricade.
Well, I'm dead.
That's 7 in a row.
That just never gets older here.
Punch them back.
Boom! Boom! That did some damage. It's fine. It's going back. Okay, that's bullshit. Fuck off.
Check your back. Miss Karen.
Back to basics.
They're not even trying.
Leaving so soon.
Well, I'm dead.
Nice shot.
30 seconds remaining.
You can't stop me.
Did that sting?
My revenge.
Yeah, I hear you. No. I said, did that sting? To something because he was like, hey, that
15
really stings.
seconds
I'm like, did
remaining.
that sting?
10,
Yeah, you're murdering him now.
6, 5, 4, 11 in a row.
Hell yeah, we do. They didn't stand a chance.
Oops.
My bad.
You know what they say about physics and mathematics? I'm an engineer.
Point spawn.
I laughed at you going, can we build it? Yes, we can. I laughed at... No, I shot you.
Can we
When
build
that
it?
changes,
Yes, we can.
except when it does.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Godlike.
Don't worry, I've got you.
Don't blink, you'll miss it.
Spirits are with you.
Leaving so soon.
The ragdolls. He missed completely.
Nice shot.
Oh, God.
Overtime. Victory.
Victory.
Fair enough.
Fire! Fire! Yeah, and you got, you got to unlock all the other champions too. So there's loads of characters. And we have to try and get the others to join us. All right.
Barrack.
Oh, no, that's just those just tell you what's going on. If you click on the thing, it means you've got something new. Probably the skin for Barrack, I imagine. I think it did tell you. Looks like you've already done your quests. We need to try and get everyone else to join us. We can have a maximum of 5 of us. Yep, Vin has it. I'd have it. That's about all we know. I have to try and get the others. Yeah. See you around.